BSLK Stock Analysis and Bold Project Holding Stock Prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at bold projects, I want to be very clear with one thing, and that one thing is that it's finally started almost giving me breaks. We're going to check it out more so closely. But I've done 37,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I know what's making me money and what's not. So with BSLK, previously I was willing to buy, double down and buy, but like I didn't see my rules being met whatsoever here. You know, yeah, previously I kind of caught this movement, but I was also willing to double down here, and then when I didn't, I abandoned the ticker. I never looked at it again, and it kept melting. And we fell down quite hard, you know. So with the current data that we have, seems like we started shifting yet again, which is a great sign that big stuff can be happening. And the only thing that I would care about is the price coming down a little bit lower, giving me a shift, and then me taking things up and buying, right? So yeah, if the rules are not met, then I'm just not gonna buy. And if you want to make more money consistently trading in a simple way, then just click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.